Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. This truth, adorned sound, has entered. Realizing the real cosmos has no formal characteristics, the ocean of transcendent ways completely fulfilled, his great light saves all sentient beings. Mountain Gut knows this technique. Observe the independent power of the Buddha, appearing equally in the 10 directions, illuminating and awakening all sentient beings. This subtle light can well enter into. Furthermore, the Kinara king, heaven of light of refined intellect, found the door of liberation universally producing all joyous actions. The Kinara king, exquisite flower banner, found the door of liberation, able to produce the unexcelled joy of truth, and cause all beings to experience comfort and happiness. The Kinara king, various adornments, found the door of liberation of the vast store of pure faith, replete with all virtues. The Kinara king, pleasing sound, found the door of liberation, always producing all pleasing sounds, causing those who hear to be free from distress and fear. The Kinara king, jewel tree light, found the door of liberation of compassionately establishing all sentient beings in enlightened understanding of mental objects. The Kinara king, delight to the beholder, found the door of liberation, manifesting all bodies of exquisite form. The Kinara king, supreme light array, found the door of liberation, knowing the works by which are produced all the most excellent adornments. The Kinara king, subtle flower banner, found the door of liberation, observing the results produced by the activities of all worlds. The Kinara king, earth-shaking power, found the door of liberation, always doing all things to benefit living beings. The Kinara king, fierce lord, found the door of liberation, thoroughly knowing the minds of all Kinaras and skillfully controlling them. At that time, the Kinara king, heaven of light of refined intellect, imbued with the power of the